In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the OneDrive sign-in error 0x8004deef in Windows 11 and 10. It's a common issue that many users face, and the good news is it can be resolved quite quickly. So let's dive in and get you back on track in just a few minutes. First, you'll want to start by navigating to the Start menu on your Windows device. You can do this by clicking on the Windows icon located at the bottom left of your screen. The Start menu is where we'll handle most of our troubleshooting, so having a good grasp of it is handy. Once you're there, the next step is to search for WSR Reset. WSR Reset is a utility tool in Windows designed to reset the Windows Store, which can sometimes help in resolving issues related to various apps, including OneDrive. So go ahead and type WS Reset into the search bar. As you're typing, you should see it pop up in the search results. Once you see WS Reset, click on it to open. This action will launch a command prompt window. Don't worry about the flashing cursor or any commands running. It's just resetting the cache, and you don't need to input any commands manually. Just sit back for a moment and let it do its thing. This step is crucial because a faulty cache can sometimes prevent apps from running correctly, and resetting it can clear out any corruptions that might be causing the error. After a brief wait, the command prompt window will close automatically. This is your cue that the process is finished. With the cache reset, you'd assume everything is ready, but we have one more crucial step to ensure success. Now, go ahead and restart your computer. Restarting your computer is important because it ensures that any changes or fixes you've made take effect. It will also reset any processes that might have been running awkwardly in the background, potentially interfering with OneDrive. Once your computer has rebooted, try signing into OneDrive again. Ideally, you should now be able to sign in without encountering the error. If you find yourself still facing issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Microsoft's support for further assistance, but following these steps should typically resolve the error for most users. And there you have it, a simple and straightforward method to fix the OneDrive sign-in error 0x8004deef on Windows 11 or 10. I hope this guide was helpful and your issues are now resolved. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and solutions. Thanks for watching and have a great day.